Are you looking for the best solar ovens? In this video, we will look at some of the best solar ovens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GOSUN Solar Oven Portable Stove. One of the first things that you notice about this solar oven, apart from its great design, is just how sleek and portable it is. With measurements of only 14.17 by 7.09 by 3.35 inches and a weight of 2 pounds, it may be impossible to find such a portable solar oven. This also means that you can easily carry it or store it in a small bag when you are going for camping. And talking about looks, this solar oven is quite stunning. Everyone in your barbecue will be fascinated by it. GOSUN Solar Oven Portable Stove is made from quality stainless steel, which not only means that it is lightweight but also durable. This model is relatively cheaper than the other ovens in the GOSUN line. That said, it does not compromise on quality as it can also reach a maximum temperature setting of 550 degrees Fahrenheit. You will be able to cook or roast your food in 20 to 30 minutes when you use this solar oven. Number 2. GOSUN Survival Gear Solar Oven. GOSUN Survival Gear Solar Oven should be your go-to solar oven if you want an oven that can survive in the wilderness. This oven features a unique design that is mostly affiliated with the GOSUN brand. At first glance, you will be impressed by the elegant design and lightweight nature of this product. Aside from the impressive looks of this oven, this GOSUN model also performs well as it has one of the highest cooking heat. At 550 degrees Fahrenheit, this oven allows you to grill even the toughest meats. It also promises a quick cooking speed. The manufacturer asserts that this GOSUN model will cook food in about 20 minutes mostly because of its unique 360 degrees design. Portability is also one of the outstanding features of the GOSUN Survival Gear Solar Oven. This is made possible by its lightweight stainless steel material, which is also quite durable. It is also foldable and weighs a paltry 8 pounds, light enough to carry and transport. As highlighted above, this oven has high heating temperatures. Parabolic reflectors that are fitted in this oven enable it to achieve high temperatures with ease. This solar oven generates significant amounts of heat, but it also has a cool-to-touch feature that allows you to safely touch the equipment. Number 3. Sunflair Mini Portable Solar Oven. Tired of carrying bulky cookers when out camping? If yes, then you are in luck. Sunflair Mini Portable Solar Oven is one such solar oven. This equipment is a foldable solar oven, which you can carry around when out in the wild as it weighs 1.25 pounds. It may seem quite small when you look at it, but it has enough capacity to accommodate several pots at once. Durability is also synonymous with this model, and this is made possible by a number of features that it adopts. For example, the oven is sold together with a storage bag that carries both the oven and other accessories that come with it. Its folding mechanism also comes in handy in terms of durability since it protects all the essential parts of the oven. If you are a beginner when it comes to solar ovens, this model can help you work your way around with ease. A cookbook is included to help you know some of the common oven recipes. This book not only reveals some common types of foods that you can cook, but it also shows you the best practices. Being an expert with solar cooking or baking is easy once you invest in this solar oven. Number 4. GOSUN Fusion Solar Oven. GOSUN Fusion Solar Oven is quite unique, unlike the other ovens that we reviewed. This is because it is a hybrid solar oven. If you wish to try out a solar oven slowly before you fully adjust, then is a great pick. During the day, this solar oven will rely on the light rays to cook food. At night, the oven uses its 150-watt heating element to bake or warm up any food you have. A hybrid solar oven is quite versatile. It can be useful any time of the day or night. It relies on its parabolic reflectors to cook food using the sun and can reach a maximum temperature of 550 degrees Fahrenheit, good enough for both low and high heat foods. It can also use its 12V source at night or when there is no sunlight. When not in use, GOSUN Fusion Solar Oven can be folded into a compact oven. It is also durable since its reflector frames are made of anodized aluminum. The oven will serve you for years, especially if you use it well. Number 5. Sunflair Portable Solar Oven. Sunflair Portable Solar Oven Deluxe is a wonderful solar oven that works perfectly for those who are always on the go. It is portable, although it can cook or bake food for up to 8 people at a time. You will also get it at a reasonable price despite having extra features that may not be common in budget range ovens. You will likely notice how small this solar oven is once you lay your eyes on it. Sunflair Portable Solar Oven Deluxe measures a mere 2 by 15.5 by 19 inches and can fit almost anywhere when folded. It is also quite light at only 1.2 pounds, so you will not have a problem carrying it around. This is great for those who would love to go camping with lightweight kitchen equipment. This solar oven comes with a lot of accessories such as a dehydrating rack, thermometers, cooking pots, trays, and a carry bag. If you love grilling meat, then the racks will come in handy. On the other hand, the pots will be a great companion if you love making soups.